Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your earbuds EDIFIER X5 Pro on your Android. You have to start by open settings. After that go to connected devices and at the device list you need to click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. After that, right here we have a name, and near to the name here's a pencil icon. On some devices it's located at the right top, and you need to click at this icon. But some Android phones have a line with a name, so at the top, and you just click at this line. Now we click at the pencil icon, and right here we can write the best one for you. So you can also remove some text, but I wanna only add, let's say, this one. The most important is to click rename, or you may have done or OK or just check mark to save this new name. So click on it, and right here, as you can see, we just change it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.